So how much life insurance? Start with that. So a good rule of thumb is about 10 times your income in life insurance. So if you make $100,000 a year, you should have about $1 million of life insurance. Here's why. Everything comes down to cash flow. If you have 10 times your income in life insurance, you can leave about half of your income to your family for basically the rest of their life without them running out of money. So if I make $100,000 a year and I leave my family $1 million of life insurance, the family can pull out about $50,000 a year comfortably, and it will be as if I left half of my income to them. It's a cash flow thing. I know it sounds great, you get $1 million, you're gonna pay off your house. No, don't do that, that's very stupid. Why would I deplete this money that's gonna pay me cash flow to go buy this house? Don't do that. You use your capital to make more money, not use your capital to pay down stupid debt. What you do is you use that $1 million to continue to provide cash flow so that you can still maintain your same standard of living, or you can use some of that capital to invest in businesses or other assets that will continue to pay you cash flow. So 10 times your income in life insurance allows you to leave about 50% of your annual income to your family. Now, if you want to leave your full income to your family, you get 20 times. So if I make $100,000 a year and I got $2 million of life insurance and I die, my family will still get $100,000 a year. So from a financial point of view, it will be as if I'm still there producing, right? That's the math. That's the simplest way to look at life insurance. That's the simplest way I know how to make it in terms of how much you should how much to have. Now, if you got a big family, you may want more, but if you leave 10 times your income in life insurance, that will leave about half of your annual income to your family.
If something happens to you and you're not there anymore, do you want people to be celebrating you, celebration of life, or do you want them to be pissed off because they have to they're left with bills and debt and they gotta pay for the funeral and they're pissed off and fighting over it? Or do you want a celebration of life and everybody is getting richer and happier, and they can put, like Martin always talks about, he wants to have a big life-size portrait over the fireplace, many generations down the road, many generations down, and people are like, who's that guy? And you're like, oh, that's my Grandpa Martin, who created all this wealth for us. And many generations that they remember you and they celebrate you. How do you want people to remember you? Do you want them to be happy or pissed off?